Self-confidence is an awareness of one's own worth and is a key component of our personality. Each of us has a certain level of self-confidence, but some people have more trust in themselves than others. Strong self-confidence allows us to achieve our goals and make the most of situations, while weak self-confidence can lead to feelings of insecurity and inadequacy. Although self-confidence is a mental state, it is closely linked to our physical appearance. It's sad that many of us suffer from low self-confidence due to hurtful comments about our appearance, especially those with obesity. If you feel dissatisfied with your self-confidence, there are many ways to change it. Today, we'll discuss 7 ways to improve self-confidence. The first type, exercise. Exercise is key to improving your physical fitness and mental state. If you have a specific goal, such as achieving your dream body shape, exercise can help you achieve it. Initially, it may be challenging, but gradually you'll see results, pounds dropping and muscles appearing, boosting your motivation and improving your self-confidence. If you are overweight, you may have encountered hurtful remarks. However, exercising and following a healthy diet can help not only improve your appearance, but also give you a sense of accomplishment, boosting your psyche. When people around you see a positive change, they'll not only be surprised at your efforts, but often support you as well. I know one shouldn't focus on others' opinions, but hearing positive remarks about your weight loss rather than negative comments about being overweight will undoubtedly boost your confidence, whoever you are. The second type, improve your appearance. You've probably heard the saying, "Don't judge a book by its cover," which is true, but isn't it better when a book is not only good, but also pleasing to the eye? Having a pleasant appearance can boost your self-confidence and facilitate building new relationships. In today's world, appearance matters more than ever, which not everyone realizes. We have many options to work on our appearance. Start by seeking advice from someone who can give you honest feedback about your first impression. Then, pay attention to your shortcomings, often related to acne, hairstyle, and clothing. You don't have to invest in expensive clothes. Just find a style that suits you and that you like. Changing your hairstyle can also work wonders. Find a hairstylist who can advise you on a suitable haircut. Acne can also be treated, consult a doctor for advice, or find a specialist dealing with such acne problems. These simple changes can improve your appearance and make you feel more confident in any situation. Now, let's move from appearance to other things. The third type, set small goals. Small goals have a significant impact on improving self-confidence. If you have low self-confidence, achieving small goals can provide quick and significant support. Small steps lead to significant changes. If you set too ambitious and distant goals, you might quickly become demotivated and further reduce your self-confidence. Therefore, set small, achievable goals and write them down. Check them off when you achieve them and keep the papers. After a month, review them and realize what you've accomplished. This will boost your confidence, allowing you to gradually move on to bigger tasks. This way, you'll be aware that you're capable of achieving something. The fourth type, improve your income. While it may not sound pleasant, money can genuinely help boost self-confidence. If you're struggling with financial problems and can hardly afford basic things like food and shelter, it's challenging to feel good and have strong self-confidence. Most financially independent people have high self-confidence, sometimes even too much. So, if you don't have sufficient income, try to increase it. If you're inexperienced in finance, it's okay. You have the opportunity to learn and increase your income. This channel is also trying to help you in this regard. The fifth type, do what makes you uncomfortable. In everyday life, we encounter many situations that bring discomfort or even anxiety. It could be addressing a man or woman you like, accepting a new job, leaving the current one, solving relationship issues, and so on. Often, what seems hardest to us is precisely what we should do, because it's by taking these steps that we can strengthen our confidence and development. If we fear a particular situation, it probably hinders us in our lives and lowers our confidence because we're afraid of it. However, if we manage to overcome and handle this situation, we can gain valuable experience and a new dose of confidence for tackling further obstacles. The sixth type, gossip. Gossip is a common part of human life and unfortunately can cause low self-confidence. Therefore, it's important not to give too much weight to gossip from strangers who don't know you personally. If someone is gossiping about you without knowing you, there's no need to dwell on it unnecessarily. However, if this negativity persists, it's appropriate to consider whether there's a valid reason behind it. If so, it's necessary to address the situation. If not, it's better to ignore it and focus on positive things. Remember that every person is subjected to gossip, and it's a cycle where someone gossips about one person and someone else gossips about them. So, keep your confidence and don't let negative words from others affect you. The seventh type, build a trait. Choose a trait that interests you, such as optimism, friendliness, or willingness to help. These traits can improve your thinking and attitude toward life. If, for instance, you choose optimism, it will take time and effort to build this trait, but eventually, you'll succeed and spread joy and happiness. If you choose to help others, you demonstrate your value to yourself and others. These were 7 ways to improve self-confidence. It's up to you whether you'll try these types or not. Most of this advice isn't easy and requires time before these activities yield self-confidence, but I believe you can do it.